Hello again. Today we're going to have a look at the limited edition Samsung Z Fold 2 5G. Now this is limited to 1,000 pieces around the world, and I'll show you what you get inside here. It's a little bit different to England and America, I believe. Right, so first off you've got the Z Fold 2 5G. Then you've got the aramid cover, the standing case, and you get this little card as well. I'll just give you a little bit of a close-up on this one. I've took the details off it so you can't steal my identity and stuff. This is the Galaxy Z Elite, and with this I can get 20% off Samsung products online, and I can buy anything I want except the 8K TVs, and I can go into the shop and have 15% off in store as well, which is excellent. Okay, next up we've got the phone here. Let's get this out. Right, so Z Fold 2 5G. I've had the Fold for a couple of months now and I've really loved it. Also got the Z Flip, which I also like, but I really love the Mystic Bronze color, so I decided to get the Z Fold 2. Right, again this one's made in Vietnam, so it's got the Vietnamese writing in there. So if you come from Vietnam you'll be able to read that one. Doesn't have anything on the back in English this time. Inside here is some paperwork, I believe, because it's already got a case in the other packaging. Yeah, there's nothing in here, just a little bit of paperwork and the SIM ejection tool. Okay, just get that out of the way. Right, so here's for the phone itself, and underneath we've got the Galaxy Z Premier service. Again, this is in Vietnamese, but I'm sure you've already read it in English on other reviews. Right, so on the bottom here we've got the, is this a 15 watt, I believe, 15 watt super fast charger. I'm not sure if it's 15 watt. I'll put it up if it isn't. Type C to Type C cable. Looks like a nice long one. And something you don't get in America, a pair of AKG headphones that are Type C as well. Right, so let's put those back in there. They don't have the little tool for swapping over on phones, but I use it wirelessly anyway, so it's no big problem. I'm putting these things back in here. Apple is dead right. I don't use the chargers and things. I've got hundreds of chargers, so I just leave them in the box usually. So I think Samsung and Apple and all that are right to take them out this time. Okay, I'm going to be quiet. Lovely unboxing sound. Right, okay. Now I've skipped forward a little bit because I put in all my personal details. There's a bit too many to hide away on screen. Right, fingerprint reader is nice and fast and accurate, the same as the Z Flip and the Fold original. Nice and fast. Okay, and this one allowed me to put in 4 different fingerprints, which is good. Okay, so I'm copying my things from the Z Fold over, and it's really not taking very long at all this time, which is good. Let's set up the weather. There we go. Right. Very nice 120 Hz screen, 5G as well. Cameras on the back. Top camera is a 12 megapixel ultra wide, then a 12 megapixel wide, and the bottom is a telephoto. Again, all 12 megapixel this time. I'm not going to take any photographs today because it's a very nasty day outside. So I'm just going to wait until it's a nice bright day and I'll take a few pictures outside and put those in the review of the phone. I'll do the review in about maybe 2 weeks time, because I've already had the Fold 1, so I know how the phone works. Giving you a few images around the phone here. It looked very square. I did notice when I watched a couple of reviews it looked very square, but in hand it's not square at all. It's nice and rounded, so I don't know where that square look. I suppose it does look a little bit square on the camera, but in person it's nice and round. It feels nice. It feels a little bit like a bar of chocolate. I don't know why, but it feels like a bar of chocolate in my hand rather than the original one. Right, so this is just the unboxing, and I wanted to show you that I was lucky enough to get one of the first 1,000 phones with the Z Elite thing. Right, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care for now, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.